Hi there again, Steve from Constantly Crawford, and I wanted to jump on real quick and do a video. I've done a bunch of videos about what ice baths can do for you, so I thought it might be smart to do a video about things that an ice bath can't do for you. So there's 10 things that an ice bath can't do for you, and we may have a bonus 11th if I can remember that far. But anyway, number one, it can't fix a bad haircut. So as you can see, got a bad haircut. I went to my normal guy and he was busy and I don't like waiting, and he said, I got a new guy that can do your hair. And he started butchering my head, and finally I had to tell him, just stop and let me go home, and it's bad. I'll probably have to go get it fixed by a friend. But anyway, it doesn't fix my bad haircut. Secondly, you know, if you have a broken relationship, it's not going to fix that. Ice baths can't do that. Luckily, I have a great relationship with my wife and my kids. Not always perfect, but we have a great relationship overall, so I'm not looking for the ice bath to fix it. Number three, it doesn't help me grow anything better in my garden. In other words, my green thumb sucks. You know, sometimes I have a great garden, sometimes I have no garden. So it won't pull weeds either, by the way. That's a bonus. Number four, doesn't help my guitar playing much. You know, in fact, I think because my fingers get numb from the cold water, I have less dexterity, I can't move as well. Probably hurts my guitar playing, but either way, I'm gonna keep doing both. Number five, it really doesn't give me an extra day or two in the, or extra hour or two in the day. It doesn't help me to get things done that I need to get done. My procrastination's not better. However, I think consistency in the ice bath might give me a few extra years on my life. That might be something to look. So that's probably a good trade-off. Number six, doesn't help my mushrooms grow any faster now. And those of you who don't know me don't know that I just started on a journey growing mycelium and mushrooms over the last few months because of how good they are physically for us, our mental, cognitive, and physical health. Mushrooms have a great deal of benefits, just like this ice bath does. But it doesn't help them grow any faster. And my wife, every morning when I get up and I look at my grow, she's always thinking, how are your babies doing? You know, and they're no better than they were yesterday. Basically, it takes a week or two to see a difference, but either way, my ice bath doesn't help them to grow any faster. Number seven, it doesn't help the auto body shop that has my wife's car in it be any quicker in fixing her car. They're over a month late in the repairs they were supposed to do, and hopefully we get it back this week. But anyway, my ice bath doesn't fix the fact that they're taking their time to get the car fixed. Number eight, it doesn't help my extreme cruising habit. My wife and I cruise 3, 4, 5, 6 times a year, and it doesn't make it any cheaper. My ice bath does not make my cruises any cheaper. However, I did find that if you play in the casino a lot, it makes your cruises cheaper, at least immediately, not in the long run. So anyway, a little tip there. If you play in the casino, you get better deals on your cruises. Number 9, and I just thought I'd throw this out there. I don't need any haters making comments on it, but you can if you want. But it doesn't help Bud Light taste like beer. I mean, Bud Light doesn't taste like beer, so my ice bath doesn't help Bud Light taste any more like beer than it did before. And number 10, it hasn't seemed to clean my garage out yet, which I was hoping it would do. So my garage is still a mess, and I'll have to do that myself. So my ice bath doesn't help me get my garage cleaned out. And I think for a bonus, number 11, I don't think that my ice bath helps my surfing get any better. You know, as I age, I become less mobile, not as quick. And so my surfing seems to slow down a little bit, and what I'm seeing is it doesn't help my surfing get any better either. So anyway, that's 10 things that, let me turn off this. 7 minutes is gone. I don't even know how to turn it off. Well, it probably won't turn off then. Anyway, but in the long run, I have to say, the benefits of my ice bath and what it does do certainly outweighs the things it doesn't do. So anyway, quick video about the things that my ice bath won't do for me. But just know that if you get in and try the ice bath, you're going to see the benefits almost immediately and see that it does help.